baby, I know what you're going through. I'll be waiting up for you all night. Don't think it's too much to ask for. I'm always gonna make sure you're alright. And every time you feel afraid, like the light is far away, I promise, baby, honestly, you'll see. I'll be around when you come down. I'll come when you call. I'll run at the sound. I'll be around when you come down. I'll break the fall. You won't hit the ground. It's so hard to feel alone. I've been there, and babe, I know what it's like. But don't think you're never gonna see this all behind you. You're gonna see the things that you applied to inside. And every time you're feeling lost, you're feeling far from what you want, I promise, baby, honestly, you'll see. I'll be around when you come down. I'll come when you call. I'll run at the sound. I'll be around when you come down. I'll break the fall. You won't hit the ground. No, you won't hit the ground. Oh. And every time you feel afraid, like the light is far away, I promise, baby, honestly, you'll see. Oh. And every time you're feeling lost, you're feeling far from what you want, I promise, baby, honestly, you'll see. Oh. And every time you feel afraid, like the light is far away, you'll see that I'll be around when you come down. I'll come when you call. I'll run at the sound. I'll be around when you come down. I'll break the fall. You won't hit the ground.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just a game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. It doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in. It's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, at the end of the day.
I'm sorry to be honest, but I'm so tired of the way I make myself feel. I know it to be something that I can't see to run away from. 'Cause feelings often come in waves that we do not expect, and often I get weary days that I wouldn't select. But I know that it's better to feel everything than nothing at all. There's hope in the tears I cried. There's strength in the pain, 'cause I'm still trying. Might feel a little weight up, down, but I'll find my way back out so that I can breathe in. I guess I should just breathe out. Won't you just breathe in? I guess I should just breathe out. I often find the worry speaks louder than my voice. It screams and shouts, letting it out feels often like no choice. But I'm learning to be stronger and whisper to it back that I will no more longer let it think that I might lack the ways to breathe in. I guess I should just breathe on, breathe on. Won't you just breathe in? I guess I should just breathe out. I'm hopeless in rewinding. The truth is in the past. Some memories lost to timing. I wish I could go back, but something moves me forward to make him into space. That lends itself to better help. I'm finding a new way to breathe in. I guess I should just breathe on, breathe on. Won't you just breathe in? I guess I should just breathe on. I guess I should just breathe in. I guess I should just breathe on, breathe on, breathe, breathe in. I guess I should just reach out.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. I know both ways, that I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? How my life would be. Heard the shadow rocket to the moon, but it ran out of fuel. A chance was lost for a hero to be made. They shook their heads and said, what a shame. This was no death, but a rebirth. I release you back to earth, so you fell to the sea just off the coast of Aberdeen. You know me and I can't hold a weight like this. Something's got to give. Here I refuse to know. I'm no hero. I'm no hero. I'm no hero. You were designed to float, but the more you think, under the weight you just sink. So you'll learn to breathe underwater, then you'll be free. You know me and I can't hold a weight like this. Something's got to give. Fear I refuse to know. I'm no hero. I'm no hero. shot a rocket to the moon, but it ran out of fuel.
Press down, press play. This is how it starts, isn't that what you always say? Come to my bed so you don't powder your nose. You move like closets through all of my clothes. And I know that I can't save you, but it feels like salvation to me. I'm trying hard not to break you, but it feels like a breaking point to me. From right here, you can see all of the sky.